Hi guys and gals, this is Alton. I just want to bring you a quick tip for this summer, spring, winter, fall if you do your own lawn maintenance. Now if you see behind me, just kind of getting ready for the summer. And a part of the way of doing that is fertilizing properly. Now here's the only issue with that. If you see right over to the side, that is one of the biggest things that can definitely hurt a lawn, which is the fertilizer in large clumps like that being sprinkled on the grass. That's going to be a dead spot. And if you walk right along, you can kind of see where it's already spreaded. There's another one, so you can see there as well. That's going to be another dead spot. So as you come along, and the reason why I'm showing this is because I don't want you to make the same mistake that I did. So if you look here, Agri-Fab 85-pound push spreader. I went ahead and got this spreader simply because everything I read about, I thought it would be super to have. It was one of the ones, not necessarily on the cheaper end, because this one still runs you $100 or so. But when you look, I had to put the whole thing together. So I'm going to show you this, and you can kind of see what I'm going to get into if you look underneath. But before you even do that, I had to put the whole thing together. It took a while. The instructions aren't that good, but they are instructions, I guess you could say. Now, went ahead and dumped everything in. Going to go ahead and spread the lawn before I take off to go to work for the day. Now, if you look down right underneath, pushing it. Now, if you look, you can see the spreader. You can see the bags of fertilizer in the back. That's as far as I got. After putting the whole thing together, the thing that I didn't have to put together was the one thing that broke. So if you look here, this would go here. I got it on the wrong side there, but it would clamp together and it would go here. Now I don't have to put that together. When I was putting it together, I did notice there are no attachments or nothing keeping this in place. I was thinking to myself, that's got to be a pretty strong glue. Well, all of that came apart while I'm pushing, and you can see now I can't use this. And there's another clump, 3 clumps of fertilizer in one particular spot, which is totally going to kill my lawn. So this is a bad way to start the summer. There again, you can see the label of the product there. So you can see the label of the company name there. This was purchased at Lowe's hardware store. Ordered online, it wasn't available in the store, had to wait until it came in. The product came in, and lo and behold, I still can't do the task that I want to do simply because product failure. So there again, if you are on the market for a good seed fertilizer spreader for your lawn, look elsewhere. Do not do Agri-Fab. Now, this is the second video because the first one, I was completely using every word in the book. So this is a more mild-mannered review on this product.